ear go stand. You sef go laugh out loud. Because why? Nothing better pass na your health.
I dey hear many a times people they come outside come talk say, it be like say my sweetheart, he not love me again, no. And if he not be so, if it be say the way in they show in love, you self no understand them. This now say the love month, and we dey still talk about how love they do plenty things. This now your Naija half-cast, Luchi Enobong, and now your health now don't tanda on top your domot today. But not be only me waka come. My doctor, she got to do her own introduction.
Yes, sir. Let me introduce myself, but there's no need. Una sabi me now. Now me be your only one and only doctor, Dr. Adora. On top now your health, where we dey stammer you with better information to make your life, even your body and your soul, they very casual. Like my sister talk now, the love months we still there also today. We don't carry love things. Me, I shall like love. We don't carry love things. Waka come your domot, control away for where you they make you for. Make sense on top of the matter. And we won't teach you what they call, they call them love languages. Yes. So today we go teach you some of these love languages. From there we go waka come teach you how you go sabi your own love language. Then you, that baby where they try catch that guy. You don't they try. Simply like say no they walk. You self go sabi as you go take turn. Now all these things we go carry puto. But you know now, first of all, your ear go stand. So make you no go anywhere because we full. Make it there for you.
Come back with more information on top na your health. So, come out your shoe or leave them. Then say when you look person where you love, your eyeballs go big tabi swell. You dey burn 26 calories with 1 minute chopulating of mouth. If you talk colorful to person wey no fit hear wetin you dey talk, in go think say wetin you talk na, I love you. 8 out of 10 people think say the first lip chopping go show how the remainder of the relationship go be. For olden Italy, if man knack woman with chopulating of mouth for outside, in gas to marry am whether in like the babe or not. Then talk say oversabi people na be the best lovers, with 82% of oversabi guru wey talk say then they put their partner sweetie before their own. On a good day, person they use up to 600 hours on top adult play, and if you want to know the age where they do am, na between 20 to 70 years of age. Listen to this one. Man beer they grow well when in they think of adult play. And man where they give him wife early mama mouth chopulating, they live 5 years longer past those ones when they do am. Because couple character don't mix with each other, that's now why they resemble themselves after some time. If you check them, 1 out of every 5 love relationship we don't be first start when one tabi the 2 people be there with other people for inside other relationship. People they sabi move their head go the right side when chopulating mouth instead of the left side. Now only 2 out of 5 people for this world they marry their first love. Lucky you. 40% of people wey dem dump for relationship, they waka enter depression. When romance dey inside relationship, it dey make the people dey happy. The more 2 of una show commitment, the more una go dey happy. Na your health don return.
Welcome back. This is still the show. Now your health, and I know say your ear don't turn that with that better gist what they give you. But Peshimelo, because we just start the show, we just start the rundown. Love language now they talk about, and you know say imagine say for this world your partner they speak English, you fit speak French. If your partner speak the English, you speak French. Well, not going to understand each other now. Confusion go there. And that's now why for some people, for their relationship, they don't understand what they happen because of the kind of love language where the other person, the oohs come out. And you said the one way they collect it, they say, I don't understand. Well, 5 love languages now in there. And the very first one, or you they call them words of affirmation.
Wait, before you waka enter words of affirmation, You don't tell me say I fine today. That will not be word of affirmation.
Not true. No verse.
But you fine, Sha. Me, I never tell you. What's the name?
You see?
It hot.
Oh, baby,
That's
thank
the
you.
word of affirmation. I want to give the example.
Okay. And you see that now, one example of words of affirmation. Sometimes some people just like and say you just they talk. Appreciate them. Appreciate the waiting there, how they look. Appreciate the kind thing where they do. If you say, Dr. Dora, I like what you do last 2 weeks for me, or you try for me well.
You're welcome.
That's not affirmation. And for some people, they make them their body, they help them. And according to Sabi people self, then talk say they help boost creativity and they reduce stress for your body. So you self will like words of affirmation, or you know person will like when you they praise them. Yes, they call them praising. Or your rapper they call them oriki. Yes. So if you know person where they like oriki or may they like make you they praise them, no stop them because now one of the person love language with that.
Yes, so from words of affirmation, we'll come waka enter the next one. And me particularly, I like this one where you know say I don't tell you say I like love away. This one that they call them acts of service. Yes. Hey, that now say you go to help me they do things. For example, as I'm sitting here now, I cannot tell Luchi, please I like to drink a cold water. She will now go and get me cold water to drink. That's an act of service. Like me personally also, my husband have come and like to cook. So when I'm tired and, you know, after a long day at work, I can't reach house, he tired me to cook, and he enter kitchen, just arrange the food for me or more. That's another act of service, and that's one of my major love languages. So you where they watch me, you find out which one be your, if you like to give them more or you like to receive them, that's an act of service. You like to do things for people, the thing they come to you naturally, that's an act of service. And if you like me, people, they do them to you, that's one too, an act of service.
But that one don't mean say you say person like you no go turn into a kaite. Because you go come turn me to a kite, you go come say man they cook morning, afternoon, night.
No, not
back on the wash your clothes.
No, scratch my back and scratch your back.
Correct,
you yeah.
I believe yourself.
I would like to do it.
All right, this next one, now receiving of gifts. Yes, some people like them. Some people, if you be say, no tell me anything, no use wash my head for me. No do houseboy work for me. But you see gifts. Even if na 50 kobo you stay buy that thing, the main fact say you buy gift for me. Some people they sweet their belly, if they do them totally. According to some people, they say that because say you they think of them, now you make you decide to sit down, waka everywhere, go find the kind gifts where they fit to like. Many people they like them, and their love language. So check your babe, check your guy. If the person like gift, anytime when you bring presents, that's the person go to shine teeth. Then another person love language with that.
Now, what you can do people will like all of them now? They like
which kind of love be that
service. They like
affirmation.
They
can't like gifts.
Gifts.
We'll talk the fourth one now. Yeah, they want to.
Anyway, the first one I want here now quality time. Oh God, me self, I like this one. Wait.
Which one you know like?
I like all or not verse. All or they only 5 now my love language. I'm sorry, but that's just the way I am. Anyway, this quality time on it. Now say, you and that your loved one. It must not be your spouse, so it must not be your husband. If it be your best friend, if it be your sister, if it be your brother, but maybe say me. Una spend time together. You know, say especially for this Lagos, especially all the plenty hustle. People they try go work. This one before you know what's happening, you don't come out for house very early in the morning, come back very late at night. So sometimes some people go they complain, say I know they still see you like that. You can say okay, let's spend some time together. And that quality time not mean say una go they talk home. Una fit just take a walk, you know, just walk up for road together. They hold hands. Or you fit even go watch movie together. It still be quality time as long as 2 of una day together. Then sometimes it go involve conversation. Sometimes, so even me and my husband, we dey do this one. Because we know they get time together like that. If we just see like this, we go just, maybe we go church. When we just come back, we no go rush enter house. So we just sit down for motor, just the gist. Even if now 5 minutes, 10 minutes, all those ones now quality time. And for some people, this is very, very important because you no go they feel any connection with your friend or your partner or your spouse anyhow if you no get this quality time. So quality time now one of them.
I don't say we were for inside Nigeria here. We be aggressive lovers. We dey love with power. We dey love with force. Everything attack. I must love you like this. You must love me.
Love you.
Hey, I must aggressive love. And she just touch me, so you know, say you don't talk the 5th love language. Now you don't do so. Then they call this 5th one physical touch. Yes, physical touch. But we not say for inside our country here. When get that person go touch you, your own partner, when they touch you in a loving way, love you gonna say now what's in now? What's in do you now?
No, I love you.
Why they touch me like this now?
Because some people their own touch now hard touch.
Some people don't knock you.
They say it's touch of
It's
love.
touch of love. So waiting be this one. Which kind of love are they display? But what will they talk? Will they really tell you, say, even pikin self, newborn baby. You know, say when they born newborn baby no, they know waiting they know left from right. But baby, they feel love. Because of the way you they carry them, you they touch them, you they pamper them, you they do am. Jigolo. You dey do am jangilova ekpo moto. As you dey take do one like that. So I remember that sometimes I was small pikin for kindergarten. So all those things them, this kind of physical touch, now they help. Now they make some people their body they sweet them. This last one we will talk so it's not waiting. Now physical touch, now be love language number 5.
Cool. So from there now, we want time don't reach when we go carry ourselves, come up for studio. Want to say we got to bar break, you know, we have to drink some water and show ourselves some love in the studio, you know. But make you not go anywhere because like we tell you before, we go send you some of the questions where you suppose ask yourself to know which one be your own language. So no go anywhere because we dey come back.
I love you.
Love you too.
I love you, baby.
Wait, we're all this
Which
time.
one be this one?
Don't go anywhere. Now your health will soon return. Now your health will return.
This na still na your health for Wazobia TV, where we dey summer you with better information to make your body and your soul dey catch it. And on top love matter we dey today, we don send you the 5 love languages. So now time don't reach where you go take know how your own be, wetin be your own love language, and you get some kind questions where we go ask you now.
All right, one of the questions we will go ask and say, how many times you they show love to others, or how many times you they appreciate other people? Really, look at now, check out, because you know, so for this country, from our driving, aggressive gra. From our to check on your neighbor, even when you knock for door, if you notice that with power, bah. So this love now they talk so your own love now gra love, now aggressive kind love you they show, or you they even appreciate people at all? Because when I'm waiting you they give out, now you go collect. Oh. If you know they appreciate people, if you know they thank people, if you know they praise people, how people go praise you? How you go take know your love language? That's not one of the questions where you're supposed to ask yourself.
Another question where you go ask yourself now. Now say, wetin be that thing where if person not do one for you, the thing go they bite your body? Say, you don't even buy me gifts. You don't even take me out. When we're outside, public display of affection, you don't even like to hold my hand or something. If you know, say now all those things they complain about, no, say be like say you pack all the love languages, all now your own. Because inside these things we are talking now, physical touch, the taking out, now quality time. The other one too is day. So all those anything where you know say they bite you, they complain about every time, say you don't do this for me, you don't do that for me. But you self, like my sister talk, you go start with yourself. Anything where you want me person do for you, do one for the other person. And at this point, I go like to talk, say, person love language, waiting beyond love language, not mean say another person won't know. Because you like gifts, you can't assume say, Luchi too, like gifts. Not be so. Make you find out her own, but first you go start with your own. So waiting be those things where you they complain about. Now from there you go take know your own love language.
And the third one where you feel to ask yourself, now waiting be that thing where I like to ask people, or where I like to request according to people like Kolobi from people. Some people if you be say they go just ask, say, I beg, if you help me to do this kind of thing, that now act of service. That means that the person feel like make you they do work for her. Make if you be say wash plate, if you help me wash plate, if you help me check my picking, if you that na act of service. And if you be say that na the person love language. Another one if you be say the person wear cloth, you will say, how I look for this cloth? It fits me. It no fit me. How my hair be? Tell me the truth. How you like them? You see that one? That na words of affirmation. Many a times when they do these things and we know they even know. So we they show the kind of love language we like. Don't get it twisted though. Everybody gets 5 of these love languages for inside our body or inside ourselves. But you get one will be champion on top of our body. You got to discover that one. And now you go now all these ones now you go make you know which one be your love language and which one you're supposed to concentrate on for your partner.
Exactly. So from there,
yes.
all my ladies,
Oh baby,
all the ladies.
okay.
Now you release the song. How you take no say now which side they sing? I say all my ladies, how you take?
And I make I put 2 fingers for the air now. 2 fingers.
Anyway, we don't tell you, say we go send you some of those things where you got to do to impress that guy, that man, the man where they your eye. I not talk say make you go get some guests. They will want to overdo it. But we are going to release some salient points. That's what everybody talk about. What you supposed to do to make sure, say, you get that guy attention. the number one thing. That social media where you get for there, all those things where we dey yarn for this show, plus Facebook, plus Twitter, plus email, all of them, not be for fancy, not be for fancy. They help you to do communication things. When you are social media savvy, so that's what everybody talking. Yes, you sabi do all these things well. It go help you to communicate well with that guy. Wow. Very, as in, because some people for this waiting century, which century we did?
21st now. 21st century.
This way, they don't sabi anything about social media. They don't know what's they happen for them. If you sharp on top the matter, trust me, the guy go dey impressed now because another way he goes BB you. He go feed they send you mail. He go feed they send some kind romantic things over the internet something. So social media they very, very important. Make sure you are social media savvy.
Before we buy break, we could just give you the second one. The second tian. They say if you want to do swag, if you want to add swag to your own fizzy, make sure the swag where you get, where you want add to the comma, it is unique. Now only you fit add that swag. Without you, that swag no go complete. And guys, they always like them when you dey independent. You see that song when you sing? You know how many guys buy that song? You know how that song sell?
Independent.
Oh man, that's why I love you.
So not be so. We'll sing better than this.
But really, girls, I beg, babes, my hot babes, you got to be independent. You got to show the guy, say, see, I am capable and I'm ready to stand on my own. Well, with this one, with these few points of ours, we have to buy small break because Adola is trying to chase me out of the studio, but I will see chase out of the studio.
Before we buy the break, I beg, you know that if you want to follow us just this matter, we go release the rest for you. We do on top Facebook, we do on top Twitter, we do on top Instagram, so we full bracket. So if you know, say you want put mouth or you want ask question, I beg, wrong go there now, make you know follow us. We dey come back.
Don't go anywhere. Now your health will soon return.
That bang. Good girl. This is.
right, welcome back. This is still Now Your Health, the show where they give you better informate, balanced diet of informate where you need for your body and your soul in general. All right, from beginning of the show, we talk about love languages, the 5 love languages, and the things where you fit to do to know the kind of love language you get. Also, we do always remind on top of this show, so this is a show of better things, and we dey pledge peace. Adara, 2 fingers in the air, because it's peace we are pledging.
Yes.
Pledging peace to you.
Yes.
All right.
Pledging peace. We have finished the peace matter now. Me, all I can tell you right now is that all the 5 love languages will be mentioned. All of them are my own. So in case you want to be my friend, what's up? In case you want to be my friend, please, everything. I like gifts. I like words of affirmation. I like physical touch. No, but only my husband is allowed to touch me physically.
Oh, you don't come put exemption. You don't come put comment for that one.
It's not best, not best. I like all of them, so please make sure you follow me on the... Anyway, like my sister talked, it's time for us to go. Happy Valentine in arrears. This love thing.
That's the love one today. We dey pledge
love
peace.
one
Bye. But you say only you 5 love languages.
I don't understand. I'm a unique entity. Only me. You say I should be unique now.
Unique in your own way. So your own
in my
swag now, love,
Everything
service,
is my
love, everything joined together.